What's up YouTube, it's Pery-Ayes Real Life Adventures, back at it again, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and reviewing this 12-inch ring light studio kit. It's a Bauer brand and I got it from Walmart. It was about 35 bucks, so without further ado, let's get into the video.
Zombie apocalypse.
Before we start, why don't you just go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to you and it definitely helps me out on this channel. Thank you.
Cause you won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should throw myself out from the roof. Cause you fucking love it when I fade. Cause you won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should throw myself out from the roof. Cause you fucking love it when I fade. Cause you won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should throw myself out from the roof. Cause you fucking love it when I fade. Cause you won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should throw myself out from the roof. Cause you fucking love it when I fade.
So here it is all assembled. It's really easy to assemble. There's no tools really required for this. But yeah, this is pretty much all you had to do is just screw this piece in and screw this piece. Then if you wanted to attach your phone, it has this little slidey thing that you could slide your phone on there. But yeah, other than that, everything just screws right in. You don't need any tools really. You can adjust it with these little clamps. There's 3 of them. You can go up or down. But yeah, one thing I really did like about this product is it came with a remote. And what this remote does is if you press, I believe it's this one, it will start recording, and then this one will finish it, or either or. I think it doesn't really matter. And then if you have like a picture you want to take and you don't have anyone to take it, you just press this button and you can literally take it with this remote. It's really handy. So now that we talked about this little remote, let's go ahead and jump into the light itself. So on the light, you'll see that there's 4 buttons on the cord. A power button, minus button, plus button, and then a circle with like arrows making a circle button, and that's to switch through the different light modes. There's 3 different light modes and 10 levels of intensity for the light. So there's it on. Here are the different light modes. And then, like I said, you can go up, goes pretty high. You can go down, switch through them all and go up or down wherever you would like them. So you can really just get the lighting perfect with whatever setting you're pretty much in. So with that all said, let's go ahead and put this behind the camera to see what it looks like on an actual person. By the way, if you made it this far in the video and you haven't liked it, why the heck not? It's free and it's right below. Come on. Alright, so I have it behind the camera right now. I'm going to turn it on real quick. So there's that like kind of more like a warm light. Then there's a softer, and then this is just the kind of like a white or iridescent light. You can go pretty high. I mean, that's pretty bright. Go lower. I mean, that's pretty bright. So there's that warm color, switching through all the different settings on the light, and then there's that softer color. So you could really just tinker with this to make it just perfect for whatever video quality you are wanting. The last thing I want to talk about is the tripod stand, which is 62 inches. It's roughly like right above 5 feet. So with the light itself, it's probably sitting at a good 6 feet tall, like at the very tallest. So that's pretty good because I'm 6 foot myself. So finding an actual tripod that goes that high is kind of hard. I kind of lucked out. I didn't even really care about the height on this one, but it's kind of nice to have that extra like height for me at least. But yeah, it's about 62 inches. That's right around a little bit above 5 feet with the tripod itself. With the mount and all this, I'm guessing a little bit above 6 feet, maybe around 6 feet. So yeah. So overall, would I recommend this product? Yes, I would recommend this product. It's a very good deal, I believe, especially if you're like a beginning YouTuber trying to start out. I think this is a great product to have. For the price, you're not breaking the bank. I mean, I know when you're first starting out, you kind of have like money situations. If I don't know, I know everyone's situation is different, but if you're just looking for something easy and affordable, I would definitely go with this. And it's right at Walmart, so 35 bucks, can't go wrong. Anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you haven't liked this yet, go ahead and drop a like and comment what your favorite part about this is, and if you want to see more of this type of style of video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.